Yeah, good. This is Felix. I have a very fast one, and I want everybody to settle and pick this information as much as possible. If you're watching me live on Facebook and YouTube, and pick it very importantly. And if you're not on Facebook and maybe you got the recording version on the YouTube thereafter, I want you to take it very seriously. Crypto AI automated system. I have two major AI automated systems, the retail AI automated system and then the institutional AI automated system. And these two are very fantastic. But I'm going to extensively on this record, I'm going to talk much on the retail AI because I know a lot of people who have not started crypto who are still very early into crypto, probably, or who have limited in fund. So talk about crypto AI automated system. Yeah, I've, okay. So I'm very sure for some of us who are very fresh to crypto, please, and for my community members, you're watching this video, it's very, very essential for you. Very extremely essential, very important, right? So crypto AI, it's very, very essential for anybody from my community who want to get it right. Absolutely, you need to settle down to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And then if you're listening to me on YouTube, on Facebook right now, settle down and pick it right now. Okay, so I'm going to go to crypto AI, especially retail AI system. So, and the retail AI system I'm going to show you is the 3COMMAS. Okay, is the 3COMMAS. 3COMMAS is, I'm going to show you 3COMMAS. So it's a retail AI. So let me share my page with you right now. Okay. Now, one of the fascinating things about 3COMMAS is a retail AI system. Now, how does it work? Because we have different bots on the crypto AI system of 3COMMAS. And we have the DCA bot, we have grid bot, we have smart trade. So I'm going to just use experiment on the DCA bot. Please take note of this important information. When you're using crypto AI, 3COMMAS, number one is you can use this when you sign on. I'm going to post my link here. No, whoever that must have invited you, I'll give you this video. So this is my link. Now somebody may say, hey, Felix, the network marketer, that's why it's giving us link. Yeah, you probably may not sign up, so it's not compulsory. But I'll tell you, if you take advantage of it, I'm going to give my link here. If you're here, there we go. Just a moment. So this is the link. Okay, so if you're watching me live, let's go. Yeah, I just want to show you guys this. Okay, if you're watching me live, there we go. Where are we? Okay. Now maybe you can pick the link, and this is the link here. Right here's the link. HTTPS full column /3commas.io and then / C equal to TC 277692. That's the code. TC 277692 is the code. And then we have the ENDOTECH, which we get contracted through iGenius, and that's the port plan B, express1.iGenius.biz, right? So now, so I have two bots, the retail bot and the institutional bot. So I'm going to go to the retail bot now. So 3COMMAS, if you take the link and when you sign up, please do not click on sign up when the link you click on the link. what are you expected to click on? Click on Get Started, right? Now, once you click on Get Started, fill in your details and put your email and your password, and then click on, and do not click on maybe a device or click on Facebook. So make sure you click on Get Started, fill in your email, create your password, and submit or continue so that you can get signed up. Immediately you sign up, go to your email and verify your account. Then the next thing you're meant to do is that log into 3COMMAS, click on this button here called the profile icon, and then click on settings. And then once you click on settings, the next thing you're meant to do is to check if you have the right code, as a referral code. The sponsor referral code to read, right? The sponsor referral code to read TC under Terminator can read TC 277 TC 277 692. Now, once that is done, you are good to go. The next thing you are meant to do is to go to your exchange platform like your Binance now, or any exchange you are making use of. So if it's Binance, then you go to Binance. Please, on your Binance, you cannot copy your API key on Binance without logging it through the web. So if you are using the app, you have to log out of the app or go to web and log in. And then when you go to the web, click on your profile icon where you have your email shown or if your phone number you're using to log in. Then you're going to see API management. So click on API management. Now, once you click on API management, it's going to pop up to say create API or give a name. So we're waiting. Let's come on. Right. So that I'm just taking this very brief, fast, but a little bit detail of how the boat works. And so if you can watch this and then implement a strategy in there, then of course you can be fine. Okay. So we're waiting. Yeah, I think this guy wants to log out. All right. Let's check on this guy. He's up. It's coming up. I'm very sorry. I just discovered that I was mute. Yeah, on my mic. I just discovered that my mic was mute. So please, I think I was saying something. I said, let me repeat that. I say, you go back here. You want to copy your API key. All you need to do to copy your API key is to go to your Binance or your exchange platform, click on, but we said, do not use the app, but log into the web. Then you click on API management. And as you click on API management, and then you wait for it to come up to show you the API to create API. Now, the moment it come up, you're going to go this way. It shows you, give a name, right? Give a name to API, and let it just come. It's waiting up here. So by that, you said, okay, it's a give a name. So I can give any name. I say, I give trader. Okay, that was why you were seeing that I was talking. Then I clicked on create, right? It's going to ask you to send all this code, and then you send it to your phone, your email, and all of that. Let's say what I sent was this, or what was sent was this, and what was sent was this, right? And then your Google Authenticator, maybe it was this, right? Then you click on submit. Immediately you click on submit, it's going to show this option, API key and secret key. Please copy them one after the other. Go to your notepad, paste it, API key, label it, and then come back, copy the secret key, label it. You say, Felix, why is not showing? It's not going to show. Once you close this place and re-log in back, it's going to show star secret. And so, but for you to do well with it, you have to copy it from the beginning. Okay. So once that is copied, pasted, then you are now going to go to your 3COMMAS to link your API. Now you go to my exchange. So when you go to my exchange, very simple. Then go to my exchange, and then you see the exchange. So Binance. So what's the name I give to my API? Trader. Then you copy the API key, you paste it. The secret key, you paste it, then you click on connect exchange. Then you are done. Now, once that is done, go back to your dashboard. Right? When you go back to your dashboard, very simple. Now, what is the next thing I'm supposed to do? I've told you, if you want to pay for subscription, the first 3 days you register with 3COMMAS, you are operating on free account. So that's free trial. So which you can, the subscription is in categories. Now, your free 3 days is running on pro account. So you can experiment it and trade as you like. Now, after 3 days, you are subjected to free account. Your free account, you can only trade one deal. So that's the difference. So, Felix, what do I recommend for everybody? And if you're a beginner, you are not, you don't have enough money, you've not started trading much, and then you can use what? Advanced. In the case where you do not have enough money to pay for a year, you can start first and say, let me pay monthly. After the first month, if you are dedicated, you are trading with about $500 or $1,000. There is no how you trade with $500 in a month and you will not do up to $400 as profit if you are serious. And the only difference is that, of course, you need to have access to Signal Forum. So if you are not on Bill with Me, then of course you will have to need $500 for yearly subscription of Bill with Me. But if you have access to different platforms, there are so many platforms that gives trading call, trading signals and all of that. So you can subscribe for them. Maybe they are lesser than Plan B, Bill with Me, and so you can subscribe for those ones and get access to calls. Or you are already trading, you know how to check your support and resistance, volumes and prices and all of that. Entry and exit prices and all of that. Then you are fine. Then all you need just to connect your boat. So if that is established, the next thing is that now when you are done using this, maybe at the point you now want to subscribe. Now, if you want to now subscribe, then you have to now, like myself now, if I want to subscribe, mine is already running on, right? It's already running on, I think for 2 years on Pro. Now, but when you want to subscribe, I wish I can just see a place then you have to click on upgrade. When you click on upgrade, please take note. When you click on upgrade, pop up to show you, payment. Please don't use MasterCard or PayPal. Now click on coin payment. It's always at the center. Click on coin payment. And so when you click on coin payment, then don't just click pay. You will see where they write BTC. Then click on the drop down arrow button on that BTC corresponding, and then it drop down to show you either you pay with BTC or you pay with Ethereum or you pay with USDT. So you see USDT. I prefer people making use of USDT so that you don't have complications. Ensure that whatever it shows you to pay, then wherever you are sending the money from, if you are sending from Binance, Binance charge you from what is being sent out. So you have to calculate the Binance fee in order to make sure that what is coming to 3COMMAS is completed. Remember, Coin Payment is going to add their own charges, so you have to take note of all the total payments to be made. Now, if that is established, fantastic, you are done, you are verified, your account, you want to start trading and all of that. So the next thing I'm going to do, like I said, we have different options, but what I'm going to show to you as an example is the DCA boat. DCA boat is referred to as DCA boat as dollar cost average. Now you want to trade with DCA boat. Yeah, you can see my account, all this one that I opened that I'm trading with. Now you can see many deals I opened. Now, for a start, you click on DCA boat, the next you click on create boat. If you are confused, watch this video over and over again, then you get understanding. Now I'll click on create boat. Now by your own, you're going to see Gordon. Now, if you use Gordon, sometime you may be aggressive and waste your money. So when you are starting, start from advanced. So don't use Gordon. Gordon will not allow you to put your own inputs and all that. So click on advanced. Now you have to locate your exchange platform that is connected. So you use TradeUp. Of course, if the first time you are trading, your options is going to show there under my exchange. Now leave it on simple because you cannot trade on composite if you are not on pro account. So, but just start from simple. What's the difference between simple and composite? Simple only trade one pairs of coin in a deal, while composite you can open many coins in a deal. Now, what 3COMMAS actually do again? It gives you recommendation of coin to even enter into. So this kind of form of signals that you can buy into is recommended for you. Now, we always say this: when you want to trade, always let your edge fund, that's the money you are using to trade, which we call quote currency, to be in USDT, so that you can always be making profit. And when you make the profit, it will be in stable coin rather than the volatility of the crypto market. Okay. Now I want to trade. Then you look at under PS. Now, which coin do you want to trade? Let's say I want to trade EXM. EXM against USDT, right? EXM against USDT. Now you can see show me that I have $388 in my balance. Then what's the next thing to do? Now it's a long short. What's the meaning of long and short? Long means direction of the market. The market is going up, not the long and short of future trading or margin trading. This long and short means if I say I'm going long, I'm saying the coin is going to go up, but what my boss should be doing, buy low, sell high, and continue the action. So I'm not going to be liquidated, okay? Now that's the meaning of long. Short is that I bought a coin and it's going to crash, but I have enough Bitcoin, I can short it, and then short means sell high and buy low and continue doing that as far as the market goes down. Then you have quote and base. Quote means the money you want to use to buy. So BTC can be your quote, Ethereum can be your quote, USD can be your quote, BNB can be your quote, and all of that. Why base is the coin you want to buy into, okay? So now I want to buy into EXM, XME. XME is my base, why USDT is my quote. If I say take profit in base, it means I love the coin and I know where the coin is going to, and I want to accumulate the follow. But I always advise you, as a beginner, don't always use base as your profit. Use quote because you can allow your profit to be there and you can save. Now, base order size, for instance, let me say I want to allocate $100. If I want to trade this coin with $200, I can use $100 as my base size. Why? The $100 is what the boat will start using to trade immediately when the market starts. And if the market continues to go up on and on and on and on, it continues to trade with only the base, which is the $100. Now, quote base order size, safety order size means the fractions, all right? And I've set aside like $100 to trade more, all right? $100 to trade more. It means if I say $100 to trade more, what I'm invariably saying to my system is that in this $100, every time the market drops to a given percentage, use $10 out of my $100 to buy a portion. The market drop again, use another $10. So the spread at which I want to be buying, the portion I give, or the allocations, the disbursement strategy is the $10. So I may say $10. Now that means every time the market drop, you buy it worth of $10. Now what happened? Because it might have bought at about maybe 0.4 or $0.36 and want to sell at 0.38, and the market didn't go to 0.38, rather it come down to 0.34. and the deviation I have set is within that range, it will buy more. So when the boat buy more, what it's going to do is going to cancel the first one and take the cost average and get a new price. So that's what we mean by the safety size. Now, the next is that you're going to look at, forget this, just leave it open as possible. Now, take profit. If it's altcoin, I always use at least 4 to 5% take profit. So I can say 5% take profit, right? But if it's a BTC, our maximum take profits will be like 2%, if not 0.5% or 1%. So I'm going to take, as a take profit at 5%. Now let's go. I don't use stop loss, so keep it simple because there's still more thing to learn here. So, but it's not everything I'm going to teach you on this video, just to get to basics. Now, there's so many things to still learn. Now, go forward. These 5 times, maximum of how many times should the boat buy when the market drop? How many times should you repeat this $10? 5 times. That's what I mean by this. So it can be reduced. I can say, okay, only 4 times. I can say, okay, only 1 time. I can say the 5 times, or I can say 6 times. Now, it depends on what you want to achieve. Now, if I have keep that, keep in mind, I said active, it should only open 1 at a go. Out of the 6 times, only 1 at a go. And this 1 at a go, once it open the 1 at a go and it's executed, the boat will now combine the old price and the new price at this and take the cost average and set a new take profit. Now, the deviation, I always tell people, I use a very long deviation. Now, this time I may use 10%. Why are you using long deviation? Because market is highly volatile. The essence of safety is that when the market crashes down, my boat will still buy more, and then take average cost, and I'll still be in the market. So deviation is always good to be much. Unless the market, you know that it's going to be a violent trend up, then deviation may not be much, maybe 5%. So in my case now, I'm using 10% here. Now, all this one, yes, you can just leave everything here 1, 1. But in my own case, I want to leave it at 1.5. Now, let me show you something very important. Click on the table. If you click on the table, you're going to see your strategy. You put it together. Now, I said, hey, guy, I want to buy this coin, $100 worth. Now, oh, it's even 0.39. Wow, fantastic. Right? So it's actually recovering very fast. So I'm buying this. Now, when it dropped by 10%, 0.35, buy for me. When it dropped by another percent, buy for me. Another percent, buy for me. In that order, you can see the more it drops, the more volume the boat can buy for me, even to as low as 23 cents. So there I go. I click on create boat. So start boat. Yes, okay. Now the boat is turned on. And how do I know that the boat is turned on? Look at it. The boat start command received, then it start turn on. And then how do I see the boat I have set up already? Now go to my dashboard again. So we get to my dashboard, right? Next thing I'm going to do, you can see. Now I need to see the boat that I just set now. So you click on DCA boat. Now once you click on DCA boat, okay, so you're going to see the boat I just set now. Now the boat has not picked. Why? Maybe the price range. So the boat has not picked. Okay. Now let's check to view it. Okay, it has just picked now. It's executed. Place order at 0.3935, and it has been executed already. Right? Let's go back again. So I click on DCA boat. Okay. Yeah, you can see it has been executed. So I click on view so that you see it properly. Yeah, Felix, how did you know? Yeah, you click it, you can see the history, you can see all the detail. So you can see. Now, what has it done? Both new deal open at this price, and it was executed, and it has placed profit, take profit of 5% when the market gets to 0.4139, then it will take profit for me. Then it has set, if the deviation of 10% happen, it will buy $10 worth. That is if the market crashed down to 0.3542, then the boat will buy more. And that's the cost average we're talking about. Now, if I go back, some other boats I set yesterday, RLC, click on DCA boat. Then I'll click on view. Good, good, good. Can see RLC, I said yesterday when I was doing training with some people, it has done one deal, and in that one deal, it has given me $4. And how much did I set on the boat? Just $100. Now it has traded. You can see it gave account. The boat was turned on yesterday, 15th, at about 9 p.m., 9:29 p.m. So at 9:30 p.m., the deal started. 9:30 p.m. order was executed at 9:31, and it said take profit 2.4. He bought the coin at 2.32, and then 2.32, and to take profit at 2.4. He took the profit at 2.4, and that was the profit. He entered the market to continue the trade, 2.447, and then deal was completed 2.449, and then to take profit again at 2.5, and then if the market dropped to 2.08, it will buy a safety side. And then so you can see that the boat has started yesterday. $100 was allocated in the night, and it has done $4 already. And so that's how you check the boat, And there are other things you want to do. Of course, you need to come and learn more. So I'm just using this for, some persons who may look at, they look as if the boat, they cannot operate the boat. That's not true. You can operate the boat successfully. You can, of course, successfully, and you'll be fine. Now, another boat yesterday, I set up for some persons. Let's see. This boat. Yeah. Okay, CTK. Even hot. Yeah. There we go. Look at hot. Hot was set up about 5 days ago or something. I need to check. Yeah, CTK. All right, has only done $24. Yeah. So the day it was set up was 13th. It made $8. On the 14th, nothing. Yesterday alone did $16, and today it has not done anything. This is CTK. So how much was allocated to CTK? Was about $200. Now, there's no amount of money that is too small to start your boat. There's no amount of money that is too big, okay? Now, let's check hot. Now, you can see two different coins set up the same day. But you will see the difference now. Let's see the difference. Good, good. Now, look at hot. $200 was allocated to hot the same date on the 13th. That same 13th, it did $96. And then 14th, where the other one did nothing, it did $71. Yesterday, 15, it did $21. Altogether, it has done $189 in 3 days. Now, today, it has not done anything. So $200 was allocated, has done $189. Now, the point maybe I'm not comfortable again. I'm okay with what this guy has traded. I can cancel my boat, but it should show you how much you are going to lose. Say $47, am I good to go? No, I just want the market to return back. And then, but if I want to cut off from it, I can cut off, and it means I say I'm losing out $47. $47 out of 189, I still have more profit. So I would channel my money to another thing. Or I just allow the boat to continue because it's a non-stop trading boat. So I do not need to give myself unnecessary stress in keeping my boat to run. The good thing is that I'll just set up my boat and go away, and the boat continue to trade for me while I hold my peace. So there are so many things you can do with the boat. Then the smart trade, of course, you can use smart trade to do a lot of things. But quite unfortunate, people are not seeing the very big opportunity and the leverage we are actually enjoying. Now, do you know that yesterday, this coin, I was at negative of minus 14%. Today, you can see the coin, I'm at a positive of 22%, which is about $43. All right. This one I was on negative, and then I'm positive. This one was about 54% negative, this same coin, XEM. Right now, my negative is closing gradually because this is smart trade anyway. Now, this one, I'm still negative and all of that. Now, you can see this coin trying to break out, what's it called? Acro. All right. So you can see the coin tried breaking out. Now, look at it. What is the advantage? Now, this coin broke out to all this level and it never got to my point of sale. It came down again, it went up, it came down, it went up. Now it's about breaking out of the bound in the Bollinger Band. Now, but look at the advantage and disadvantage. Now, you look at my target price, I want to sell at 0.081. And now it has gotten to 0.05. Then I bought at 0.047. Now the advantage of the DCA boat, if we were the DCA boat, we'll have been taking profit and buy again, and even until when all this turning around happened. Now the smart trade is going to follow it. And why? I use smart trade most time for a coin that I'm expecting to break out so much. But if I'm not comfortable again, I want to close this deal, I can just go ahead here and say close at what? At market price. And it will give me my profit, and I'm away. Okay. So it's very flexible, so you do not have any too much trouble, to bother yourself about disabled or 3COMMAS. So it's a fantastic boat. It's fascinating. I've been using it, and then you can see now. Look, let me show you an example. A coin I want to accumulate, I love using it. Look at this coin now, System. Look at System. Now I've been using System. Look at it. It's at 28 cents. Now, if you look at System, let's go here. Disabled. Man, guys, these have helped a lot of persons in my community as traders, to hold their peace while they are doing other things because the boat is working for them. One of my friends always tell me, he said, Alex, if anybody is not using DCA boat, if anybody is not using 3COMMAS, has actually sustained himself. And I tend to believe in what he says because it has solved a lot of problems. Now look at this boat. Now let me use. Look at this boat. Yeah, come on. Just a moment. I need to do something. Okay. Something happened because I changed the font added. Let me check on Binance, or does it mean my? Okay. SIS. Now you can see this coin. It has been going up and down. I've been trading it for long. The total volume it has accumulated for me is 2,292. Now 2,292. Let's check how much it's worth now by the prevailing rate. 2,292. 2,292 pieces of system multiplied by how many? 28 cents. 0.28. 0.2833. No, that's about $649. $649. Now let's go here. Go to the boat. All right. The boat, I think I had insufficient fund at the point it stopped. And so I just reenacted it back now to take. Yeah. Now it has made just $302. And the boat started trading. What was allocated to it before was $150, and it just increased to $200. So it started trading on the 15th of February. Today is 17th. That's about 1 month and 2 days. And in 1 month, 2 days, it made $302. But because it's making the money on the base currency and not the quote, meaning it's not giving me the profit in USDT, but it's giving me profit in the coin. But as at the time I started trading the coin, the price was still very, very cheap. So right now, the volume of the coin I now have is about 2,292. So multiply by the prevailing rate is about $600. So that's what we trade, right? Now you can see the one I just opened, namely XCM. It had just opened the boat, XCM. Just now, it placed the price at this 0.3933. And then look at, it has placed price to sell already, 0.4139. Now let's check the coin. How much is it doing now? Okay. Let's check it. XEM. All right, it's actually moving gradually, right? So when it gets to 0.4 something around here, it will have sold for me and enter again. So imagine before the market recover, maybe to the previous all-time high here, my boat will have bought, sold, bought, sold, bought, sold, bought, sold here and there. So those are the advantages. You know, when you are using the boat, now it's trading for you while you are doing what you are doing. So I do not need to be there. The boat will be buying and be selling, buy and be selling, buy and be selling, buy and be selling, you know, in that order. So boat is actually very fascinating. It's a good support tools for you to maximize fantastic profits. Yeah, because I think I can speak from experience. As this system is still going more on and on and on and on. Let's check here. So what do I need to be doing? At all time, at some interval, you check what's happening. And what will make you to check what's happening is that you have access to the right information. And that's why we recommend for anybody, if you are not on bill with me, try, raise money. $500 a year is not too bad, where you have access to information, which coin to buy, which coin to sell, how to master your strategy, monitoring your portfolios and all of that. Are very important, right? Which is turn on and just waiting to buy. Okay. Yeah, this guy was, there was a lot of panic yesterday. I'm sure a lot of people panic sold Cream Finance. And then I think when this coin is going to recover, it's going to be very massive. Yeah, so anyone who is smart is just good to buy more as he can, as your capacity carries. Yeah, let's go here. Ah, come on. This 23. $29. Okay, I think my boat will sell some part of, because I can see system is moving faster. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how it is. So, the next boat, I will not have time to explain it now. Maybe my next episode, I'm going to explain about the. Okay, CRO is trying to come up. Wow, wow, this guy is moving so fast. UTK, man. UTK is to cross $1. Come on. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go out right now. UTK. Fantastic. Okay, so the next stuff I'm going to show to us is practically institutional investors boat called ENDOTECH. So in my next episode, it's going to be on ENDOTECH. You are going to love it. So fantastic project out there. And my company that I partner with that make me have access to it, so fantastic. For you to be part of this guy, you need to be an institutional investor. And that's where you're going to need $125,000 to get signed up to ENDOTECH. But I have a good news for you. Follow me in the next episode. Always chat up with me and then you can take it. If you want to chat up with me on my WhatsApp number is +234 8036 9245 and 88. +234 8036 9245 88. Felix is my name. So chat up with me on WhatsApp. And then you're watching me on Facebook, on YouTube. You can inbox me. Just ask me, please, I want to be part of this. And so fantastic. So +234 8036 9245 88. Don't call. I do not really have enough time for calls. I easily can chat. And so chat with me on WhatsApp and you're going to love it. Now, if you're watching on YouTube, just check below on the comment section, and then you're going to see the link for 3COMMAS and Igenos as a merchant to ENDOTECH, where you have access to ENDOTECH. So thank you very much. Do have a nice time, everybody. And I hope this one is going to help everyone who's settled down to learn.